Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dogs Art. You're definitely in the right place. Wherever you are, in case you're having a bad day, I do hope you're having a great day, but just in case you're having a bad day, remember you have the ability to turn that around, right? So in this video, we're looking at a little project with Pixellab. Just getting familiar with the app and all that. In case you're new to the app, you could just check the video in the description. I was introducing the app to anyone out there who may have interest in learning about the app for beginners. So just go check the video out. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. All right. All right. So now we're on Pixellab. We're working on just a quick album cover kind of design, so it wouldn't be complicated to you, so you have nothing to worry about. Just be patient and watch this video to the end. We're doing this particular design, so let's just begin. Alright, so first we're going to import the image to use as a background for the project. Got this image from pixels.com, so you could go there, check for better images, so whatever you might want to try out. So here's the background settings. We're going to go from gallery to import the image as the background. Just in case you import the image and you're not okay with the dimensions, you can always adjust that. But I think I'm okay with this. In case you're not okay, you can go to crop here or image size and choose from the presets whichever dimension you may be looking for, or you could impute the dimensions manually. But I think I'm okay with this size, or I could just make it square, like for the social media post and all that. Okay, this looks better. Next, we'll be making some adjustments on the color. There's a magic wand at the end of the option bar below. Then we'll be looking at brightness. Okay, let's take that down a bit. Then contrast. I think contrast is okay. Next, we'll be looking at hue. This is where the magic happens. You could just adjust the hue till you get what you want. I think I'm okay with this. Let's tweak the brightness up a bit. Okay, adjust the hue a bit. Okay, I think this is better. Saturation. Ooh, this is beautiful. Woo! Alright, this is nice. Okay, we can begin with the main work. You add the noise if you want, but I'm leaving the noise out of it for the meantime. Next, we need to add a text. Go to text. Boom. Let's impute the text. Happy weekend. Right. Now this font looks a little bit off, so I'm going to change the font style. Navigate to font, my font. I'll be dropping the font file in the description as well, so you can check it there and get it for yourself. We'll be using the Billy Ohio. Right, this looks okay. Now the color, something that would look nice on this. Let's try yellow. Oh, yellow looks cool. Yellow. This. Okay, this. To pop this out, we're gonna try the what's it called? The stroke option. Stroke, and we'll be using. Let's try white. Oh, black. Let's work with black for the meantime. Then emboss. Oh, this is nice. Then we increase the stroke once again. Stroke width. This issue, I normally get this issue with my Pixellab, but not to worry, I'll show you. So I'll be giving a solution very soon. But this is the stroke. The color should be something relating to the background, like this. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, let's use something a bit lighter. Nice. See what I did there? I just added a new color. I created a new color with the plus sign. You could tweak it here. Cool, this looks okay. The emboss looks good. We'll move on to what could we ever need? Okay, let's add a new text. We'll copy this text. Boom. Edit. Come up with a producer name and a master. We're using let's say produced by Future World. Okay, produced by Future World, and mixed and mastered by Savage, of course. Wow, what a name. Wow, please do come up with a better name. We're gonna undo the emboss for this, and undo the stroke for this. The color should be white. Okay, reduce the size and change the font style. Okay, you could choose from something. You could choose something from this default from system installed or the app installed font, pre-installed font, whatever I want to call it. Let's try this. You really don't need something too catchy or too serious. Okay, doesn't look bad, but I bet could look better with a better font. So let's work with Poppins. Poppins should be good. Poppins medium. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, next I'll be working. Wow, I did forget to add the title of the name of the artist. Funny enough, so I'm just going to copy this, edit, put the name, the Vawa. Wow, the Vawa. Cool. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. The Vawa. Okay, size. Increase the size a little bit. Reduce. Okay. Next, we are adjusting the font style. Poppins heavy this time around. Poppins bold rather. Poppins extra bold. I don't need it being too bold. Let's say Poppins bold. Right. Happy weekend. Devour. Okay, cool. It's looking not looking bad. Okay. Happy weekend by Devour. Produced by Future World. I want to adjust the spacing in this text. That should be in spacing. Space the letters a little bit. Okay. Alright, so this is what we got. In case you want to adjust the alignment, you can use the grid option on the top menu bars, or I don't know what's it called there. This. You can see the lines now, you can now adjust it. Okay, Happy Weekend looks relatively in the middle. The Devour also looks okay. You're gonna adjust the rest a little bit, and that should be good. Boom. I think we got something. You're free to add any more, extra right up, so whatever you like. Final touch would be adding a noise rather. Boom, finish this looking sweet. I'm gonna adjust this happy weekend a little bit. The stroke color a bit too bright, so I'm making that a bit like that. Okay, almost there. Boom. Oh, nope, a little bit adjustment. Okay, stroke. Yeah, this looks better. Boom. And now we are officially done. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched this video till this point, I'd like if you hit the subscribe button. I'd like to see you around in the next video. Right, so do have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Save. Ultra. Boom. It is done. Okay, apologies, I almost forgot about the little glitch we're having in the app. So here's the solution to this issue. First, you add a shape, right, like a square. Then you move it out of the screen, right? Then you go to the layer options, the icon beside the grid at the top, menu options, menu tools there, layer. Then you want to merge this. Okay, here's what I did. I'm trying to get back to the okay. Nope. So you go to the layer. Here there's an icon below. You can see this little circular icon. Okay, when you tap it, this option appears. Now I want to mark, select the layers we want to merge. Let's merge this and this. And I can see this square, these two little squares trying to join up. That is the merge tool. You're going to merge it. Merge. Okay. Boom. Done and dusted. Right? Now, here's the catch. When you merge a shape and a text, you automatically convert that text to an object, meaning you're no longer open to edit it as a text, like change the font style, the font color. You now edit as an object. If you want to change the color, you have to work with the object, and it's definitely not going to turn out good. So before you do the whole merging thing, be sure you're done with the color selection of your choice and all, because to adjust anything you have to undo the merge with this undo icon, this arrow icon at the top. Alright, so that is just it. Okay, do have fun and remember to subscribe. Thank you. Bye this time.